Good morning, students. Today, hi, in Parallel Easy Commerce, we are starting Module 4. And Module 4 is actually recent trends in the financial markets. But today's topic that we are doing is the first part, that is mutual funds. Let us now understand with examples what is this mutual fund all about. So, a mutual fund is a common pool of money into which investors place their contributions that are to be invested in different places of securities in accordance with the stated objectives. An equity fund would buy equity assets, ordinary shares, preference shares, warrants. A, a bond fund would buy debt instruments such as debenture bonds, government securities, market securities. And a balance fund will have a mix of equity assets and debt securities. So, mutual fund shareholders or a unit holder is a part owner of the fund's assets. Are you understanding? So when I'm talking about mutual funds, we have to keep in mind the various things. मतलब ये fund holder क्या करता है? See, I just have 1,000 or 2,000 rupees and I feel that 2,000 rupees में क्या होएगा? लेकिन वो जो mutual fund का जो person है ना, the manager, वो सबके पास से लेके उसके पास एक corpus money है. और वो कॉर्पस मनी वो एक साथ थोड़ा शेयर लिया, थोड़ा प्रॉपर्टी लिया, फिर उसका जो अप्रिसिएशन मिलता है, that is a return that you're getting back. Like for example, I have been investing in mutual funds since 2012. My daughter was born and I started. तो अभी क्या होता है, कभी मुझे 10% भी रिटर्न मिलता है. लाइक एवरी मंथ आई गेट अ स्टेटमेंट. Sometimes I've got in the bad markets 5% also. Sometimes I've got 8% also. But if I do an average, it is around 7.5%. So mutual funds is very, uh, it's risky, but it has its pros and cons because you're not doing it for one day. You're keeping in mind like a mid-term, a long-term capital funds, this thing, what is there. So the facts about mutual funds is equity instruments like shares are only a part of the securities held by the mutual funds. Mutual funds are also invested in debt securities, which are relatively much safer. They are there in India since 1964, and they are there for the last 60 years. They are the best solution for people who want to manage risk and get good returns. So ये क्या होता है? Let's understand this cycle. Okay. So in this cycle that I have is that they are taking in mind. So there is so who is this? There's a fund manager. He is investing in securities. Okay. And then he generates a return. It is passed back to the investors, and the investors pool their money to the fund managers. तो ये एक cyclic process है. And I am not studying for one day. I am keeping in mind that this is going to be from the point of view of, what do you call, like long term, 8 साल, 10 साल, और मेरा वो average में सब हो रहा है. Are you understanding? So let us see what are the advantages. When I'm talking about this, what are the advantages that I have of mutual funds? So in the advantages that I have is why would people invest in mutual funds and not stock market only? So we are going to keep a lot of evaluation to this because it is like not one day ka thing. See, a lot of people do stocks keeping in mind that they would be for short term. This would be for long terms. Here I'm averaging my risk. So it is not that, like when I was evaluating in terms of that in the last 8 years, if I have to analyze as an investor whether I should stop the script or whether I should change it. So I saw that average return when I calculated, I got up till now, something close to 7.5%, which is actually not bad. So now, right now, though, I mean, if any fund is there, I would not, advise people to get out of it. But at least, keep a tab of what whoever it is. So if I say 2,000 a month or 1,000 a month is not a bad thing, even if you're working or if you're interns, but at least that would be a start to make a capital. When I say I want to make a capital, so I am saying that Mutual funds is one step that I want to have a capital of 10 lakhs in the next 15 years. I want to have a capital of 20 lakhs. So धीरे धीरे करके वो आप बना रहे हैं. So what are the main advantages? It is the professional management. It is professionally managed by competent professionals. Therefore, investors, especially the small investors, they can maximize their returns. उसके बाद I have is diversification. थोड़ा gold लिया, थोड़ा stock लिया, थोड़ा debentures लिया, थोड़ा और there is government securities. So the fund manager is going to diversify. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि your eggs are in one basket. Your eggs are in different things. Okay. उसके बाद I have is economies of scale. When I'm talking about economies of scale, so the mutual fund manager is investing in a diversified portfolio of shares, debentures, government securities, etc. So the idea behind this diversification is to invest in these multiple things. Therefore, the investment in mutual funds enables investors to spread out and minimize the risk up to a certain extent. उसके बाद I have is economies of scale. So mutual funds buy and sell large amount of securities at a time. So therefore, the transaction costs are reduced and the retail brokerage costs are comparatively higher, but the brokerage cost at mutual funds are low. So as a result, investors gain on account of the lower transaction cost. Are you understanding? उसके बाद I have is the liquidity. So liquidity is what mutual funds enables the investors to liquidate their holdings as and when required. Now, for example, I realize that the markets might go down or it will have, and I realize that, okay, though I done for 10 years, as on today I'm getting this much, I will break the thing. I don't have to continue it, I can decide it as and when what funds I require. So it's very liquidable, or I have an emergency and I realize today I'm getting 2 lakhs. Okay, pehla main isko, I will stop this thing and I will go ahead and making it liquid so that I get the money in my account. Uske baad I have is mobilized savings. So mutual funds play an important role in mobilizing the savings of millions of investors across the country. The mobilized savings are utilized for profitable investments, and therefore investors are benefited from the investments managed by the mutual funds or the AMC. Uske baad I have is convenience and flexibility. Investors can easily invest in mutual funds, and there are at least formalities to invest in mutual funds. So if an investor is not satisfied with one mutual fund, he can switch over to the other mutual funds. Tax benefits. Mutual funds enjoy a lot of tax benefits too. The tax on dividend is directly paid by mutual funds. Dividend received by investors is tax free. उसके बाद I have is transparency in investments. So there is a greater transparency in investments by the mutual funds, and they declare their portfolio of investments every month. So the fund investment, they can switch over to another fund or liquid their investments. Are you understanding? उसके बाद I have is stability to stock market. So mutual funds invest in huge amounts in the securities. They can easily absorb certain losses in the stock market, and the mutual funds continue to invest in stock markets at regular intervals. Therefore, stock markets get stability. Ancillary services, saving schemes, life insurance, automatic reinvestment of dividend, all of that comes under the ancillary services. Now we begin is with the disadvantages. One second. So let us understand that what are the dark side, which a lot of people might not tell you. Are you understanding? So the dark side of this is that there is a risk factor. Now when I'm talking about risk factor, now for example, maybe for 2 years there was a very bad slowdown in the economy, or you had done it, you started in December, and in March lockdown onwards things were not that great. Are you understanding? So there could be a risk factor too, or probably the others worked. Matlab, when I'm talking about others worked, matlab, there were other things that, matlab, the other scripts, the other mutual funds, for example, you did two. Okay, and one of your things is paying good returns, the other one is not also. So therefore, there is a risk factor for investments in mutual funds as compared to investments in fixed deposits. So in fixed deposits, the returns are assured, whereas in mutual funds, there could be up, there could be down. You will have to keep a tab on it. Then there are mutual fund charges. So the management of mutual funds varies from the operation of the mutual funds, and the charges may vary from 1 to 2%. For instance, if the investment is 1 lakh, the bank may charge, say, a fee of 2,000 on an average, or something other, or the fund manager will also get this. Sometimes I have is a lack of professionalism. The management may not use their good judgment to invest in various securities. पहले initially किया, फिर they did not keep a tab, and etc. etc. Then I have is lack of portfolio customization. So in the lack of portfolio customization, I have is the portfolio management scheme to large investments. In PMS, the investor has better control over what securities are bought and sold on his behalf. On the other hand, a unit lock holder in the mutual fund is one among the thousands of investors. Thus, the investment in mutual fund lacks customization as per the investment needs. Then I have the choice overload. So each mutual fund may offer multiple schemes to their investors. The problems may be solved with the help of right advice given by the agents. Are you understanding? Uske baad I have is no control over the costs. So sometimes what happens is, the money of all the investors is pooled in together. Therefore, an individual investor has no control over the cost in the scheme. That no, I told you to do in this scheme and you did not do that. That it is completely over that manager or the company, whatever they decide. Problems of strict rules to investment. Some mutual funds are too big to have good investments. Matlab, they are not known for small investments made by you. And some they prefer a small companies, but a small companies might have double return also and might not have a good return also. Depends. What is the problem of diversified investments? Generally, the mutual funds invest in diversified portfolios to spread risk and returns. At times, they may over diversify, which may lead to lower returns. See, sometimes the darker side is something, unless you will invest and you will evaluate yourself, you will not know. Sometimes it is even 15% that I have observed, and sometimes it might not even be 5%. So there is a lot of ups and downs. It is not a assured money like a FD, but a lot of times it has given good returns also, and a lot of times it is okay returns also. So the investors have to invest by themselves. Thank you, students. The source for the same, I've taken it from online thing as well as Manan Prakashan. Thank you, students.